Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a word by word tags on CapCut or follow word by word tags on CapCut. So first you need to add your tags and then here type in like this, for example, and then choose your favorite font. Okay, for example, like this, and then just go to style and lower the opacity into 0 like this, and go to stroke, then select the white color, and after that set the thickness based on your liking. Okay, and just click on the check icon and now set the duration of the text according to the total of words. So I'm going to go with 4 seconds and then split the text into a few parts according to the total of words. Okay, like this, and then after that go to click on the first text and select the first word. So edit the first text like this and select only the first word and go to style and now put the opacity back into 100, so it will go like this. Okay, I'm going to just go with 70 I think because it's too thick, and then after that click on the check icon, go to the second text and do the exact same steps. Okay, then just repeat the steps until the last word. Okay, so I've arrived on the last word. So select the last word here, YouTube, and set the opacity into 70. So if you have more than 4 words, you can just repeat the steps like this. And now you are done, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.